What if I told you that SEO is not a dark art? It's much simpler in 2026 than you might think. SEO isn't about tricking Google. It isn't about keyword stuffing or buying useless backlinks. At its core, SEO is this: create content people want. Make it easy for Google to understand and ensure your site is easy to crawl. Google emphasizes creating helpful, reliable content first. This tutorial will simplify SEO for you. SEO has three key components: content, on-page clarity, and technical access. That's it. Weak content means weak SEO. If your page confuses users, your SEO suffers. If Google can't access your site, your SEO fails. Let's dive into content first. Many people fail here by focusing on Google, not on people. Google rewards helpful and reliable content meant for real users. In 2026, your new rule is to create content for real questions or problems. Before publishing, ask, who is this for? What problems do they need solving? Why is this page useful? If you don't address these, no SEO tactic will help. Next is on-page SEO. This section helps both humans and search engines quickly understand your page. Use words people search for in key spots: the title, main heading, and link text. Your page needs a strong title and a clear main heading. Use your main topic naturally throughout, with helpful subheadings. For instance, if your article is about best budget gaming monitors, say it clearly. Avoid vague titles like, everything you need this year. Be direct. The clearer your language, the better. Now let's tackle a common mistake: keyword stuffing. That old trick is dead. Focus on relevance, clarity, and completeness instead. Clear topics and natural language put you ahead of many websites. Moving on to technical SEO, which often intimidates beginners. It boils down to this: can Google access and process your page? Ensure your pages aren't blocked and that important pages are linked internally. Make sure your site is mobile-friendly and loads quickly. Don't hide valuable content behind navigation issues. You don't need to be a developer. Just avoid making your site invisible. Now, structured data can seem complex, but it simply adds context for search engines. Google uses structured data to better understand your content. If you have product or review pages, adding structured data can enhance clarity in search results. Remember, it's not a ranking cheat code. It's a clarity booster. Clarity matters in SEO. Let's discuss product and commerce pages. If you run an affiliate or e-commerce site, make your product pages understandable. Use clear names, real descriptions, and the right markup. This helps users and search engines alike. The biggest myth in SEO? It's not about hacks. The winners do the basics well. They offer genuinely useful content, match search intent, and avoid spammy tactics. SEO's foundation remains unchanged. Helpful content and technical accessibility are timeless necessities. Be wary of anyone selling you secrets that ignore these basics. Now, here's your 5-minute SEO checklist. Choose one page with a clear intent. Write a precise title and matching heading. Make your content genuinely useful. Use natural language, add internal links, and ensure proper indexing. This checklist will set you ahead of many sites. Keep in mind, SEO isn't instant. Changes can take time to reflect. SEO is a compounding game. Strong pages and architecture build over time. Quality compounds, shortcuts don't. Remember this: SEO isn't about gaming algorithms. It's about crafting the best possible page for real users, then removing every barrier for Google. That's the whole game. No magic. Just helpful content, clear signals, and clean access. This tutorial is all many needed all along. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.